healing. Everybody here has been influenced in some way by Bruce, haven't you? Okay, the question is, did Bruce ever get in any street fights out here in Seattle? Because the film talks about, his fighting ways in Hong Kong as a kid, but as a matter of fact, yes. He did have a fight with some karate guy that had challenged him, and this was before me, so I just know the story. But this guy challenged Bruce, and they set up a date to have a formal challenge, I think, at a YMCA, I think. And anyway, it took all of 11 seconds, which is why he thought that other fight with the guy in the movie, Wong in Oakland, took 3 minutes, was like forever. But, after that, and really, by the time he came to the States and everything, he had reached a level in martial arts where he had so much self-confidence that he no longer felt the need to fight, which is really the aim of learning a martial art, isn't it? So that you are so confident that you know you don't have to beat up guys, right? How many hours do you work every day in martial arts? How many hours did he work on martial arts? How much did he train every day? It was his job. That was his job. That's what he did, all day long, every day, pretty much. Trained martial arts as well as training his body, so doing all kinds of exercises and cardio and all of that. Eating properly, that's what he was all about, and that's what he did every day. I sometimes do video log on our website at brucely.com, and we sometimes go into his day timers and look and see, well, what was my dad doing on a particular day in 1957 or what have you. And in his day timers, at times he would write down, 1,000 punches with my left hand, 1,000 punches with my right hand, I ran 7 miles, You don't get to look like that without doing a ton